everyone, welcome back to Naughty Creations. Today we are going to make a cute and colorful crochet hairband. It's super easy to follow along with. Grab your crochet hook and yarn. I am using 6.5 mm crochet hook and colorful yarn. We are going to start by making a foundation of 55 chains. You can make this as long or as short as you want, depending on the size of the hairband you want. So now we have got our 55 chains. On first row, skip first stitch, then make single crochet. Then on next stitch make 2 double crochets. Skip 1 and make single crochet. Repeat this pattern, make double crochet. Next stitch, then skip 1, make single crochet, then make double crochet on next stitch, then skip 1 and single crochet. It should look like this. I'm using 6.5 mm crochet hook and this colorful yarn. Repeat this pattern all the way down your row. Now that we are at the end of the first row, following the same pattern, make chain 1 for second row, then turn your work around. On this row we are going to repeat the same pattern. Do double crochet on single crochet, then skip 1, make single crochet on next stitch, make 2 double crochet on next where we did single crochet on previous row. Then skip 1 and make single crochet. This is called alternate stitches. Now there is a single crochet that we make in previous row. On that make double crochet. On every single crochet make double crochet. Then skip 1 stitch and make single crochet. Keep repeating this pattern row after row until your headband is the perfect width of your head or the width that you want. This is how it looks after 2 rows. crochet for last row, then skip one and make single crochet. Repeat making single crochet across the row until you reach the end. If you have any doubts, you can ask me through comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated with my future crochet tutorial. It's totally free to subscribe. Here are two ends of our project. Join them together with slip stitch. You can use needle for this.